The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northern Kent County in northeastern Maryland, Salem County in southern New Jersey, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Delta to Essex, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Newark, Middletown, Chester, Pennsville, Yedden, Carneys Point, Folcroft, Swarthmore, Ellesmere, Newcastle, Penns Grove, Salem, Alloway, Canton, Delaware City, Newport, Arden, Atherton, and Stickton. This includes following highways: New Jersey Turnpike near Exit 1, Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 9, Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 1 and 23, Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 8, Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 14. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for central and northern Delaware, northeastern Maryland, southern New Jersey, and southeastern Pennsylvania. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous situation. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for central and northern Delaware, northeastern Maryland, southern New Jersey, and southeastern Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following county: Delaware, Pennsylvania, and Newcastle, Delaware, and Salem, New Jersey, and Kent, Maryland.